Well, the jury has been dismissed for the day in the Sean Combs federal sex crimes trial after testimony from a forensic psychologist and a former assistant to Combs. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles is live in Lower Manhattan with the very latest on today's testimony. Darla.
Liz, that former personal assistant will continue his testimony in the morning, but this afternoon, a very dramatic moment when he went into court, took the stand and said he planned to plead the Fifth Amendment about any questions about his employment with Sean Combs, and it was only after he was given immunity that he took the stand. George Kaplan, another former personal assistant of Sean Combs, only agreeing to testify Wednesday afternoon after being granted immunity. The 34-year-old telling the court he would tidy up hotel rooms after freak-offs. I think that it was implied in my role as you continue to work closely with Mr. Combs that you protected him. Prosecutors asking, how was cleaning up these hotel rooms related to your job of protecting Mr. Combs? Kaplan responding, I would see often that hotels would sell videos and images and try to embarrass celebrities and other figures, and that was something I wanted to avoid. In week 2 of the sex trafficking and racketeering case against Combs, federal prosecutors trying to clear what will likely be a big hurdle for the jury, calling an expert in sexual abuse and domestic violence. Dr. Don Hughes testifying, it's hard to break up under some of the best circumstances, and that exposure to repeated acts of violence make it harder for victims to have higher order planning to leave, essentially meaning their brain organizes around that fear. They're always walking around trying not to get hit in a survival mode day to day. Attorneys for Combs seemingly punchy about this testimony from the onset, with repeated objections and sidebars and working to discredit Dr. Hughes for jurors. You're in such high demand that you can increase your rate to $600 per hour, correct? Dr. Hughes answering, I raise my rates commensurate with what my colleagues charge. Later on asking, isn't it a fact that you have never come into court, taken the witness stand in defense of a man accused of a sex crime? Dr. Hughes responding, that's correct. I don't evaluate offenders. And the Homeland Security Special Agent who led the March 2024 search of Combs' Miami estate returning to the stand earlier today, showing jurors dozens of pairs of 7-inch stilettos, a wide variety of drugs and disassembled automatic weapons. Defense attorneys countering, did you look for any photos of Mr. Combs with these guns? Special Agent Gerard Gannon responding, we did not locate any. The defense asking, you live in Florida. You are aware people have firearms in their homes? Gannon responding, yes. And as to the much-awaited testimony of Kid Cudi, that was expected to happen today, but federal prosecutors did not find out until late last night he would not be available today, but is expected to take the stand tomorrow. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.